Hi everyone and welcome to Maker Monday. Today we are crafting these really cute dragon corner bookmarks, and this activity was inspired by this book, Ellie's Dragon, written and illustrated by Bob Graham. Now Ellie's Dragon is one of this year's Book Week shortlisted books, and you can watch Ellie's Dragon and lots of the other Book Week shortlisted titles on Storybox Library. So head to our website and click on Online Library and scroll down to Storybox, and you'll find this book and hundreds of other books read by some of Australia's best loved authors, illustrators and entertainers. So that's a free resource for library members, and if you're not a member, you can join online today. So head to our website and you'll be able to join online. Now, these dragon bookmarks are a great craft to do at home because we really don't need many materials. All you're going to need is some paper. I've used some coloured paper. You can use plain and just decorate it or colour it in. Grab a glue stick, a marker or a pencil and a pair of scissors, and come and join me. Let's get started. So I'm going to make a green dragon like the one in this book, but any colour works, or if you've only got white paper, that's okay. You can colour it in with markers or even give it some decoration with something like glitter or stickers. This is a great project to use up any craft scraps that you might have around the house. Now I've cut my piece of paper so that it measures 16 centimetres across and 8 centimetres up. But you don't have to use this same size. Just make sure with your paper that this length is twice as long as this length. So we've got a longer piece going across and a shorter piece going up. So the first thing we're going to do is fold this piece of paper in half lengthways and make the fold as neat as you can. And then we're going to fold it again the other way. And I'm going to make a really crisp fold line here. So now what I want to do is unfold it again. And now I can see where the center of my piece of paper is. So let's take this corner and we're going to fold it up along that center crease. So take this one and fold it up and do the exact same with the other side until you've got this kind of house-shaped sheet of paper. The next thing I'm going to do is just turn it over. So we will flip it over the top, and at the top of this sheet of paper, where you have two separate squares, just like this, we want to take those corners of each square and just fold them into the center so that we're kind of creating a heart shape. And that's the cool thing about this craft. Once you've made your dragon, you can come back and make a heart shape. So doing the same with the other side, folding to the center. Okay, so I have both these corners folded in. I'm going to take my glue stick and just glue these flaps down just so that it's easier to work with my piece of paper. You don't have to do this step. It just makes it all stick together a little bit so that you can maneuver the paper without those flaps popping up. And we have the basic shape for our dragon. Let's flip it around the other way. Now with my dragon, he's facing off to the right of your book. So I'm going to position my paper like this, but you could do one facing to the left and just change the direction of your paper. So this will be the dragon's head and this will be the dragon's neck. So we just need to make a couple of cuts just to shape our dragon. You can really cut this in any way that you'd like. So for the bottom piece, I'm going to make a cut. So from this corner to this top corner. So we'll take the scissors and just cut across. And then to give him a bit of shape on his head, I'm just going to cut this corner off of my bookmark shape as well. So again, grabbing the scissors, and we want to cut this corner off. Hope you can see that. Okay, so here's our basic dragon shape. Now I have just made another little cut just to give him a bit more of a point on his body. And now we're up to the fun part, so we can make all of the decorations for our dragon. So this is where you can be as creative as you'd like and give your dragon whatever details you'd like. So I've just used some scrap paper and I've drawn some details for my dragon. I have some fire for him to breathe, and we have some spikes to go on his neck. I've also drawn a little eye and cut that out using some scrap paper. So I'll position that where I'd like it. And I've drawn a wing for him as well. So draw any details you'd like. Can you think of any other details your dragon might have? And then once you've got it set how you'd like it, just take your glue stick and we're going to glue all of those details onto our dragon. So there we have our completed dragon bookmark. Now to use your bookmark, all you need to do is open him up and slip him over the page of your book, and that will mark the page that you're reading so that you never lose your place in your favourite book again. So that's our Dragon Corner bookmarks, inspired by Ellie's Dragon by Bob Graham. Give this one a try.